In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align top in Excel. Top alignment controls where your text sits vertically inside a cell. By default, Excel places text at the bottom. When a row is taller, because of wrapped text, manual row height, or merged cells, moving the content to the top makes your sheet cleaner and easier to scan. Start by selecting the cell that contains the text you want to adjust. Click once to highlight it. If you want multiple cells to use the same alignment, drag to select a range so they're all highlighted together. This tells Excel that the change you're about to make should apply to every cell in the selection. Now, head to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Alignment section, look for the Vertical Alignment Controls. The Top Align button is the one with small horizontal lines stacked toward the top of a rectangle. Click it, and you'll see the content in your selected cell or cells snap to the top edge inside each cell. You'll notice this most when the row is taller than a single line of text. For example, if text is wrapped and spans multiple lines, Top Align anchors the first line at the top and leaves any extra space below. This creates consistent spacing for headings, labels, or notes, which helps readers follow your data quickly. A bit of context helps everything behave predictably. Vertical alignment is separate from horizontal alignment, so top align only affects the up and down position. It won't change whether the text is left, centered, or right. If your cells are merged, top align places the content at the top of the merged area. And if your row height already fits the text exactly, you may not see much difference until the row becomes taller or the text wraps. If top align seems to have no effect, check for two common causes. First, confirm the row height isn't very small or auto-fit to a single line. There needs to be extra vertical space to show the shift. Second, make sure you actually selected the cells you intended, because Excel applies alignment to the entire selection. That's all you need to do. Click the cell you want to adjust, then choose Top Align on the Home tab to place the content neatly at the top. Use this anytime you want consistent spacing in taller rows, merged headers, or cells with wrapped text. With this simple tweak, your worksheets will look more organized, more professional, and much easier to read.